Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical damage. This saves time and components. Once done, remove the interior trim panel, take out visible screws, pry clips gently, and lift the weather seal so you don't crack plastic. Lower the window slightly to reach the actuator area. This exposes the mounting screws and the electrical connector. Make sure to keep fasteners grouped and photograph connector orientations so reassembly matches factory positions and you avoid later alignment problems. You next unplug the actuator electrical connector, then bench test the unit with a 12V source to confirm it's faulty. This prevents unnecessary replacement. After confirming failure, remove the mounting bolts and free the linkage arms. Note their orientation for reinstallation. Inspect internal gears, motor shaft play, and wiring for corrosion or broken teeth. If gears are shredded, replacement is required. Once inspected, clean surrounding area and compare a new actuator to the old one to verify fit and connector compatibility before installing. You install the new actuator by aligning it in the mounting pocket, reattaching linkage arms in their original orientation, and tightening bolts to the manufacturer's torque. Reconnect the electrical connector and reattach the trim enough to keep parts protected. Reconnect the battery, then cycle the lock from the switch and remote to let the system calibrate. Listen for unusual noise and watch linkage motion. If it fails, check the lock fuse and measure wiring continuity to the connector. Also verify door module programming or grounding for intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.